All right, for problem 2, we can start talking about little shortcuts. But I'm going to do the problem first as the investigation intended. And so I'm going to get both equations in y equals mx plus b form. So if I have x plus y is equal to 3, and I want the y by itself, I will subtract x from both sides. I get y is equal to 3 minus x. For my other equation, I have x minus y is equal to negative 5. Let's add y, so I have a positive y here. So I get x is equal to y minus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So I get x plus 5 is equal to y. All right, so I know the y's are equal where the lines cross. So we have 3 minus x is equal to x plus 5, add x, add x. So we get 3 is equal to 2x plus 5 minus 5. So now I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So I get negative 2 is equal to 2x divided by 2, and x is equal to negative 1. Sorry for going through that so fast. So then we can plug in negative 1 in for x, and it doesn't matter which one we plug it in for. I'll plug it in here. So negative 1 plus something is 3. Well, that's 4. So x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to 4. So there we have it. Now, another way I could have done this is just to stop at this point and then say, and that would mean that I could then plug this equation, or this expression in for y over here, because y is equal to 3 minus x. So instead of this y, what can I write? 3 minus x. So I have x minus, I'm just rewriting this equation over here, x minus 3 minus x is equal to negative 5. Let's see if I get the same answer for x. So then I have to distribute. So we have x minus 3. Negative times a negative is a positive. So x plus x is 2x minus 3 is equal to negative 5 plus 3 plus 3. So we get 2x is equal to negative 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Oh my goodness, and x again equals negative 1. Perfect. So that's another way of doing it. Just getting one of the variables isolated and then plugging in the expression into that. Now, I'll show you one last kind of cool way of doing this, and this is not solving through substitution. So this is called solving through addition. I'm just going to add straight down. And I can do this because I have opposites here. X plus x is 2x. Y minus y is 0. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Divided by 2, divided by 2. X is equal to negative 1. This ends up being the fastest way. And the trick is you have to have opposites so that when you add straight down, they cancel out. So I've shown you 3 ways of doing this problem. 1, getting both equations into slope-intercept form. The second, getting one equation into slope-intercept form and substituting. And the third is the addition method.